watches a man sitting on a bench inside a police station wiggles his way out of handcuffs and then makes a mad dash out of the building. Cops in Ohio are now looking for this 31-year-old suspect who they say is on the run. He was initially arrested in connection with a theft at a Home Depot. Take a good look again. You can see the man in a blue sweatshirt sit tight while an officer cuffs him on his right hand. Almost immediately, he starts to get that handcuff off. And is eventually successful. He gently puts it on the ground and then picks it back up just in time for an officer to show up. Another 10 minutes go by. He looks around and heads for the door. Security footage captures his hightail out of there. Cops are now looking for the suspect who is wanted on multiple warrants. If he's caught, next time police will have to keep a closer eye on him. This is InsideEdition.com.